Add zucchini to boiling water and you'll be amazed by the result. Start by adding 3 medium zucchini to a saucepan filled with boiling water over medium heat and let them cook for 5 minutes. After this time has passed, remove them from the hot water and let them cool down until they reach room temperature. When that happens, cut the zucchini in half again, and remove the flesh, just like I'm doing. Then, set aside the zucchini shells, cut the flesh into thin strips, then into smaller pieces. Now, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add a drizzle of olive oil, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 red onion cut into small cubes, the zucchini flesh, and sauté for 5 minutes. After this time has passed, season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, mix until combined. Remove from heat and set aside. Then, in a medium bowl, add 1 whole egg, 120 grams of grated tuna, 2 slices of whole wheat bread cut into smaller pieces. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Season with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of dried basil, and mix everything very well. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Then add the stew we prepared and mix once more until combined. This is the right mix. Now add this mixture to the zucchini shells we set aside earlier, just like I'm doing. After doing that, in a large baking dish, add a drizzle of olive oil and spread it well with a brush. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Finally, add the zucchini. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.